Procrastination. My name is Carolyn Cowan. I'm a trauma therapist fascinated by shame. I have, in the last few videos, been exploring what you do when you hate how you feel. So there is a model, the 3-part model, which there's a video about that. And then the biggest column in the 3-part model says how much you hate how you feel. So I've been exploring all the different ways that you hate how you feel. Procrastination is a really interesting one. Procrastination is when you feel maybe lazy. It can make you feel as though you're useless. It can make you feel as though you never finish anything. Procrastination, got a huge to-do list, or you've decided to tidy up your entire house. And so you set yourself up, in essence, to re-trigger yourself into how much you hate how you feel. So procrastination is part of shame. In the biggest part, really, it's linked to how much you don't feel you deserve. How much you feel you don't deserve. The child part is so used to being cloaked, covered, riven by shame that to deserve better is quite hard. So in that, it's much easier to put things off. But also notice, putting things off, let's imagine you get up and you decide, right, I'm going to work out and then I'm going to tidy my desk or I'm going to open the bills. When you hit shame, you're going to hit the fuck it button. The fuck it button for you might be made of worms and spikes and thorns and all kinds of horrible things. The fuck it button for you might be big, red, shiny, woo, woo, big button. I don't know what your fuck it button looks like, but you've decided that you want to get activated and then you hate how you feel and you hit the fuck it button and you just don't. I don't know what you do. Drown in violent television. Go onto the gaming console and play whatever games you play, or maybe eat. I don't know what you do. How do you resolve how much you hate how you feel? And it's not a positive resolution. It's a negative resolution. So procrastination it's quite an interesting one because it's very linked to still holding on to shame. Because I don't know if anyone's ever said this to you, but when you walk towards giving birth, and you might never give birth, and you might not have given birth, and you might not want to give birth, and you might be a man, and the chances of you giving birth are fairly randomly slim. But it is one of those moments where no one can do it but you. And that's a really curious thought. Obviously people can help you, but it's you that has to do it. And actually the same thing with procrastination. You can pile up so many things to do around you. You can make mountains out of your desk, mountains out of the mess, mountains out of the bins. And then you just go, fuck it, I can't be bothered. And of course that smothers you in shame again. Or, now this is the really interesting thing. How do you choose to deserve better? How do you choose to actually want the benefit that will come from tidying your desk? I have a desk there, so it's easy to look at the desk. How do you choose to, it'll feel so much nicer when I do tidy up. It'll feel so much nicer when I do make my bed or change my sheets. It will feel so much better when I clear the inbox on my computer. Whatever it is, it's actually about deserving not to add into how shit you can feel. So procrastination is a part of the shame function because it keeps you stuck. So how can you deserve? What I do sometimes, actually, I might have to do something I don't want to do. I confess that after all these years of emails, I get really overwhelmed by the amount of emails. And lucky me that people do want to communicate with me. But it's about choosing. Okay, sit down, go through them. Just, don't bin them all. Answer the ones that need answering and then get up and I feel so much better. Or clear the desk or sort out the paperwork or do the taxes. When you do it, you have deserved better. So it's important to recognize that procrastination is not deserving. It's a shame fold. And it allows you to hate how much you feel. To hate how you feel. That's what it allows you to do, is to hate how you feel. And then it gives you permission to go into any number of behaviors. That might be, you know, food, alcohol, drugs, self-harming. I have no idea what you do, but procrastination is part of the loop of being stuck in whatever tall dark history you have, whatever disorders you have, how much you hate how you feel. There you are, the sun comes out as I finish this video. Really, you know, I'm very luminous now. It's about deserving. Deserve it to be better. Deserve to do something about it.